In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a business account with Wise, a popular platform for managing international payments efficiently. Whether you're looking to streamline your business transactions or expand your reach globally, I'll walk you through the process. So, let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open up Wise on your preferred web browser. Once you're there, the first thing you'll see is a prompt to enter your email address. Make sure to use an email that you'll have easy access to, as this will be the primary means of communication for your account. After entering your email, look for the option to proceed with setting up a business account. This is crucial because it will enable you to unlock features specific to business operations, such as managing multiple currencies and setting user permissions. Following that, you'll need to select the country where your business operates. This step is important as it determines the currency settings and available features tailored to your specific location. Once you've done this, simply click on the Continue button to move forward. You're almost there. Just a quick click on Continue again, and you'll be prompted to provide your phone number. It's important to input a valid number because Wise will send a verification code to this number to ensure that it's you making the request. Shortly after entering your phone number, keep an eye on your messages for a code. When you receive this code, you'll need to enter it in the designated field. This step is a part of the security measures that Wise implements to protect your account. Once you've inputted the code, go ahead and click on Send Verification Code. This will confirm your phone number and take you to the next stage of setting up your account. Now, you'll have to specify some additional details, starting with choosing the type of business account that best fits your needs. As you complete this, you'll reconfirm your country selection, ensuring all regional settings are correct, which is vital for your currency operations and compliance with local regulations. Finally, you'll create a password. Choose one that's secure yet memorable, combining upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. Your password is your gateway to accessing the account, so make sure it meets the security standards and is something you can remember. And there you have it. You've successfully completed the initial setup for your Wise business account. Remember, having everything set up correctly from the start will make it much easier for you to manage international payments smoothly. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, feel free to share it with others who might benefit. Stay tuned for more tutorials and tips. Until next time, happy business banking.